This is the practice test for measurements, and here we're working on problem number 16. The problem says a freight carrier charges 68 cents for the first ounce plus an additional 35 cents for every ounce or part of an ounce over the first ounce. A company is shipping a package weighing 308 grams. Letter A asks, what is the weight of the package in ounces? So we need to convert the grams to ounces. Grams is a metric unit, ounces is a US unit. So we can go to our sheet, formula sheet, and looking on the right-hand column under the weight formulas, we find a formula that says 1 ounce is equal to 28 grams. And we can put that formula into this form here as a ratio. We're going to solve this problem using a proportion. And so on this side, we put the 308 grams given to us in the problem on the bottom, because we have grams on the bottom over here. And we're going to solve for the ounces on the top. So to solve the proportion, we always look for the two numbers across from one another. 1 times 308 divided by the leftover number, and we find that the number of ounces is 11 ounces. 308 grams is equal to 11 ounces. That's our answer for letter A. Then we go to letter B, which asks what is the cost to ship the package in dollars and cents. Now we're told the freight carrier charges 68 cents for the first ounce. And then we have 10 ounces left because we have 11 ounces total. And the company will charge 35 cents for every ounce over that first ounce. So they're going to charge 35 cents for each of the remaining 10 ounces. 35 cents for 10 ounces is going to 35 cents for each ounce for 10 ounces is going to be 35.35 times 10, which is going to be $3.50. So we're going to need to add these two together for the total cost. The cost of the first ounce is 68 cents. The cost of the remaining 11 ounces or remaining 10 ounces is $3.50, and the total is $4.18.